Attention! Most people get this simple math expression completely wrong. Here is the expression. 3 minus 5 times 3 minus 5. Take a moment. Try solving it before I explain. Many people rush and make a big mistake. They first calculate 3 minus 5, which is negative 2. Then they calculate the next 3 minus 5, which is also negative 2. After that, they multiply negative 2 times negative 2. And they get 4. But that answer is wrong. Let's solve it the correct way using PEMDAS. PEMDAS is the rule that tells us the correct order to solve math expressions. P stands for parentheses. This means we always solve the numbers inside parentheses first. E stands for exponents. These are powers and roots, and they come after parentheses. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. Multiplication and division are solved from left to right. After that comes addition and subtraction. A stands for addition. S stands for subtraction. Addition and subtraction are also solved from left to right. Now let's apply PEMDAS to our expression. 3 minus 5 times 3 minus 5. First, we solve the parentheses. 3 minus 5 equals negative 2. Now the expression becomes 3 minus 5 times negative 2. Next comes multiplication. Negative 5 times negative 2 equals plus 10. Now the expression becomes 3 plus 10. And that gives us 13. So the correct answer is 13. Not 4. That mistake happens because many people ignore PEMDAS and do subtraction too early. Did you get the correct answer? Comment below and let me know.